You know, this road doesn't announce anything. No sign, no fence, no markers. But right here is the Continental Divide. Do you live here? I mean, you're coming from here. I don't know if you live here or not. There's some people right out there right now? Okay, awesome. Thank you. All right, well, there's some nice folks right over there that gave me permission to look at the arrow. I'm not sure if they even know that there's an arrow here. I don't know if you can hear him laughing at me. Crazy guy. But this is it. This is, and now I'm forgetting, I don't have my notes in front of me, 60 something in Continental Divide. That's the tip of the arrow, and it's sort of covered up with the sand, right? And it's buried. Usually they're up a little bit. That's the middle part. And this is the part for the tower. And that was the part for the tower. Part for the generator. The base of it. And the arrow. And as I learned at the museum, these arrows were only used for a few years because of situations exactly like this. They got buried and they were hard to see because these sites weren't always manned. So they went to the raised aluminum sheet metal type arrows that were easier, didn't get covered with sand. But this is just in a neighborhood, or not a neighborhood, but you know, this is somebody's driveway, and it's still here, hiding out. How cool is that? Yeah, interrupted a little bit, but you know, the Continental Divide, it doesn't announce itself. Neither does this arrow, but they're both right here. And they definitely shaped the history of airmail and of aviation in general. All right. Well, from an arrow hidden in someone's front yard to one up on top of a hill. Let's go to the next one.